for more DIY guides.
Installing a 1.8 meters high Colorbond gate has never been easier. In this guide, we'll walk you through the installation process and show you exactly what's included in our Colorbond gate DIY kits, designed for durability, style, and convenience. Our Colorbond single gate kit includes everything you need for a 1.8 meters high gate, a gate of pedestrian access, 2 gate end posts or gate styles, each 1.8 meters high, standard 2-pronged, or, for inserts, 3-pronged gate styles, 1 or 2 rails, either 2.36 meters or 3.1 meters long, 1 or 2 Colorbond sheets, 1.8 meters high and 800 millimeters wide, available in new style zigzag, or the standard Colorbond sheet profiles, 2 steel posts, measuring 50 millimeters 2.4 meters, plus 2 post caps, a pair of hinges, and a D-latch lock, a colored bag of screws to secure everything together. And if needed, concrete bags are available as an optional add-on. 1 insert, either louvre, lattice, or slat insert, 250 millimeters high.
Need a little extra help? We can assemble the gate or install it all for you, saving you time and effort. Visit instantfencepress.com.au for an instant supply and installation quote for all fence and gates types.
Installing your Colorbond gate is simple and straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Lay the gate style and components on the ground. 2. Cut the rails and sheets to length, accounting for gaps, hinge spacing, and post measurements. 3. Attach the rails to the stiles, then slot in the sheet to the rails. Close the frame with the other gate style and screw the corners. For Colorbond gates with inserts, louvre, slat, or lattice, we use a 3-pronged gate style. Cut the insert to length and slot the insert at the same time as the sheeting by adding the 3rd rail before closing off with by adding the final gate style. 5. Add the 2 hinges to the gate frame. 6. Set the gate posts securely in the ground 600 millimeters deep with concrete, or bolt to a brick wall, ensuring they are perfectly aligned height and face. 7. Hang the door, screw the hinges to the posts, attach the D-latch or key lock. 8. Touch up any marks with a can of Colorbond Fence spray paint for a professional finish. And that's it. A sturdy, stylish Colorbond gate installed in just a few steps. Whether you choose the single or double gate kit with or without the top inserts, our gate DIY options make it easy to create a secure and elegant entryway to your property for pedestrians or vehicles.
Ready to get started? Order your Colorbond gate kit today, or let us install it for you. For more expert tips and tutorials, visit our website or subscribe to our channel.